Hey, how's it going everyone? I have my simple calculator solution from the previous video open here, and let's say we wish to import one of these functions in a different Python script or file. So how would we do that? I have another Python file here, hello.py, and what I'll do in here is I'll just say from calc soln, that's short for solution, import add. So calc solution is the name of my file where the add function is located, and add is just the function name. And down here I'll just say print this is a message from the hello file. Cool, so let's run this file, python hello.py. Now when I run this program, what we expect to see is just this line, right? This is a message from the hello file, nothing else. But you'll see that when I run my program, actually get enter an operator or -1 to exit. Okay, so if I did plus, it says enter first number, enter second number, and it's giving me the result and asking me to enter an operator again. So it's actually running the contents of the calc solution file. And if I do -1, you see it says thank you for using Melbit calculator, and then this is a message from the hello file. So it did print this message out, but it printed it right at the end here. If I actually move this before the import, run, you see we get the message, and then we get the code from our calculator solution executing. So what's going on? Well, in simple words, basically Python is running all the code in calc solution when we are doing the import. So how can we prevent this? Well, I'm going to go to my calc solution file, and right at the bottom I'm going to say if __ name __ double equals, and then in quotation marks __ main __. And then if this condition is true, I want to run a function called main. Okay, so if name equals main, I want to run a function called main, and let's create the main function. So I'll just say def main, and in this function I'm going to put all of my calculator code, all of the code that makes the calculator work. So the entire operator part, the calculation part, and the result part. Now if I go back to my command prompt and I run the hello file again, you'll see that we just get the message. This is a message from the hello file, and the calculator does not really execute. If I move the message up, same thing, the calculator does not execute. But if I specifically ran the calc solution file, it says enter an operator 5 3 5 plus 3 is equals 8, so it's a minus 6 3 and 3 -1 to exit. Thank you for using Melbit calculator. So when I ran the calc solution file, it basically executed our calculator. This line just checks to see if this is the file that's been executed, right? So it's essentially checking if we are running Python with the calc solution file. If we are, then it's running the main function, which is what runs our calculator. But if it's not, so if we are not running calc solution directly, then this condition is false and the main function is not executed, which is why we don't really get the calculator. So whenever we run the file directly, the condition is true and main is executed, which runs our calculator. Whenever we import the file, this condition becomes false, so this function is never run, which is why our calculator is not executed. So that's all for this video. We have reached the end of this Python for Beginners series. The next video will be the final in this series, and I'll just be going over 7 problems to continue practicing with. a Python cheat sheet and a written version of this entire series. Thanks for watching and happy coding.